तो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड अपन रिएक्ट करेंगे डस्ट हेल सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड जो है उस पर रिएक्ट करेंगे।
Air polluted city according to the American Air Quality Index report, which is Lahore in Pakistan. Air pollution steals 5 years from people's average lifespan. Lahore city, which is also a great example of environmental pollution, is a great indicator of the damage that humans cause to nature. Let's start exploring
ये
the
गाइस, ये
most
दिल्ली
polluted
नहीं
city
है,
in the
लाहौर है,
world.
लाहौर।
Lahore, one of the most densely populated cities on the planet, has an approximate population of 14 million as of 2021. We begin our discovery with one of the oldest bazaars in South Asia, that is Anarkali Bazaar. You see the motorcycles parked. Dust is one of the biggest problems of shop owners here. As I speak, it is like dust accumulating in my mouth. Sometimes I want to spit out the dust, which becomes like wet clay in my mouth. Really
गीली मिट्टी की तरह बन
disgusting.
रही।
People who live here are destined to lose their lives to lung cancer. Sometimes when I
What the
sweat
fuck?
like this, the dust accumulates on my sweat, also turns into a muddy form. Sweating is a terrible thing here.
What the fuck?
I feel very dirty at the end of the day. The dust in my hair or the muddy layers that form on my body.
Okay.
Breathing here a day is equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes. As
15 सिगरेट पीने के बराबर है, बाप रे।
directly into the sewer on the street.
15
I
सिगरेट
can't
पीने के
say
बराबर।
sewer because what's called sewer has to go under the city. We are in a bazaar in a public place.
दिल्ली में तो एक दिन में चार सिगरेट पीने के बराबर होता है ना, वो यहाँ 15 सिगरेट पीने के बराबर। बाप रे।
You see that butcher over there? The sewer runs under there too. Metalloids and toxic metals such as copper, magnesium, zinc, selenium, and arsenic. Particles formed as a result of this combustion are at the size of less than 2.5 microns in diameter and 33 times smaller than the thickness of a human hair. Because they are very small and light, they tend to stay in the air longer than heavy particles. And because of their small size, they can easily pass through the nose's filter system and penetrate the lungs. Then the particles enter people's bloodstream through the capillary network and lead to heart diseases, lung cancer, eye infections, asthma, bronchitis, respiratory disorders in the general population, and can even lead to premature birth, which has negative effects on brain development. It can even create genetic disorders in the next generations. It smells incredibly bad here. There's such a musty smell. I mean, it smells incredibly bad. Flies are flying everywhere. They can get into our mouths. We never take off the masks. Pandemic is just one reason to wear a mask. We don't quite understand how people live here, but they have had an incredible adaptation. It is very hard for a foreigner to come here and be comfortable. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency considers PM 2.5 values above 50 to be harmful. What does it say?
303, 328, 352, increasing.
According to our measurements, this value started at least 189 in Lahore, while the values we saw on average were 300 and sometimes go up to 600 in certain places. 350, 422, 448. You just saw the sewer. We are right next to it. Life is shaped around the sewer. There is huge chaos. According to a
कैमरा उसी पे लेके दिखा रहा है, कैमरा उसी के मुंह पे डाल दे रहा है।
air pollution is 9 times of the acceptable safe values, and the dust hanging in the air costs at least 100,000 lives here every year. Most of them are children.
मास्क तो लगाया है कम से कम कई लोग।
The Air Quality Life Index Agency notes that the life expectancy of Lahore residents has decreased by about 5 years.
मतलब पता है, धूल है।
Look, we're walking on a normal road again and suddenly a motorcycle traffic occurs.
भाई अभी तो पाकिस्तान का वीडियो बन रहा है ऐसा, बाद में पता चल रहा है दिल्ली का धूल वाला वीडियो बन गया तो क्या बोले धूल का ना। देखो दिल्ली का क्या हो रहा है अभी, एक तो उधर से जलता है जो जो भी जलता है, पंजाब से जलता है, तो हवा का जो डायरेक्शन रहता है उस हवा के डायरेक्शन से सब दिल्ली में आता है और फिर दिल्ली में आके, और दिल्ली का सेंटर ऐसा है ना कि हर जगह ढकेलता है। और दिल्ली में फिर
Fish heads and
कंस्ट्रक्शन भी
scraps
होता है,
cut
उसका
off
भी
on the
धूल
fisherman's
सब वहीं
scope
रह
are
जाता
getting
है।
separated to be given to the animals.
और भाई ये तो पाकिस्तान है,
Mice and rats also roam these streets where flies fly in
बट
abundance.
कोई सा भी स्थान रहा है, मैं तो भाई बोलता हूँ
2 to
चाइना
3
से कुछ
meters
सीखो
away,
यार,
the
चाइना
fish
से
are getting
सीखो
clean from
भाई।
their flesh
पेड़
and
उगाओ
waiting
ना,
for their
ये क्या एयर
customers
फिल्टर
with
लगा रहे हो तुम लोग
unhygienic
सड़क में?
stuff. Here you
भाई
see
पेड़
him
उगाओ,
cleaning scales
पेड़
of fish,
उगाओ,
makes them
पेड़ को
ready.
काट दे रहे हो, जंगल कट रहा है। और
Let's
इंडिया
fill
पता
up
है
my
लकी है,
stomach.
क्योंकि ना चाइना बोल रहा है कि हाँ
Here,
इंडिया को
tap
वो
water and some
हेल्प करने के लिए
pollution
तैयार
are
है
also
एयर
well above
को
acceptable
क्लीन करने
levels.
के लिए।
Brushing your teeth with tap water is not recommended in the city guidebooks. People who bought and ate snacks from peddlers are washing their hands in a communal wash tub. We are in a clean park in Lahore, although there are many
हाइजीन तो
dirty
पूरा
areas in the city.
लो,
There are also
साफ
parks
सुथरा
that have
पार्क,
been kept clean.
साफ सुथरा।
In shopping centers, men and women have separate entrances, and men may not be allowed in alone. We were allowed as we were foreigners. There is garbage everywhere. People live in garbage. The streets are full of garbage. Let's walk and we will surely see another garbage in a minute. Zoom in there. What I said was not wrong again. Another garbage. The municipality's biggest service is to collect piles of garbage that never comes to an end. We just got lost in the trash.
ऐसे ऐसे ओ भाई
और कचरा कर रहा है वो भी।
I never saw a trash can. Yeah, there are trash cans, but people's living spaces are so crammed that the
पता है क्या सिखाना चाहिए बच्चों को? पढ़ाई लिखाई सिखाते हैं ना, सब लोग फोर्स करते हैं ये सिखाओ वो सिखाओ। अपने को ना ये सब सिखाना चाहिए कि कैसा कचरा नहीं फेंकते हैं, कैसा ये नहीं करते हैं। कॉमन सेंस बोलते हैं, नैतिक शिक्षा, जो सामान्य ज्ञान या सामान्य ज्ञान सिखाना चाहिए, जो कि बहुत नॉर्मल सा ज्ञान है। ये सीख गया ना आदमी तो कंट्री का लेवल हाई हो जाएगा। और वही नहीं सीख पाया तो फिर क्या होगा?
From October to September, dust and toxic gas particles are trapped in layers close to the ground under the influence of reduced air pressure, temperature change, and the winds from the west. During the fog season, the entire city is almost swallowed by these particles hanging in the troposphere layer. In winter, this reaches its peak. Although we made our trip to Lahore in summer, we also observed this layer of grey haze in the evening when the air temperature dropped. Toxic gases cover highway and air traffic in Lahore during these months are closed and some flights are cancelled due to low visibility. It is normal for us to put our garbage here right now, but let's not put it. Look, you see, even the poles and electrical cables have accumulated garbage. Sometimes people throw their garbage straight from the balcony or windows into the streets.
इससे पहले कोई इंडिया में आके भी ऐसा वीडियो बनाना चालू कर दे, डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनने लगे जगह जगह का। अपने को फिक्स करना चाहिए, राइट? फिक्स करना चाहिए। पाकिस्तान का तो बन गया, वीडियो बना दिया है अपना भाई अरब से आके।
They hose down water on the garbage. It makes the garbage a little more collectible form. Then they load them all into trucks. When you go randomly down the road, you can see mice and rats crashed on the asphalt. When colonial India, formed by Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, was exploited by the British and eventually divided, Muslims mostly gathered in this geography. The local language of the country, which gained independence in 1947, is Urdu. But during its time under British rule, English became the second most widely spoken language. Today, English is considered the official language alongside Urdu.
You can take a taxi from there.
The country's population today is 200.
इंग्लिश माना जाता है पर इंग्लिश कितने को आता है वहाँ?
Only 59% of this population knows how to read and
ये
write.
59% ही पढ़ना लिखना जानते हैं।
value given to pedestrians is very small. Here, priority is not pedestrians, it is vehicles. Pedestrians are at risk of traffic accidents during the day. An interesting life.
भाई बाइक भी इतना पुराना पुराने जमाने का है, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं पुराने जमाने का वीडियो देख रहा हूँ। घोड़ा आ गया भाई साहब, सही में पुराने जमाने का वीडियो देख रहा हूँ मैं।
Heavy traffic in Lahore is to dive into alleys. Of course, these alleys are full of garbage and suddenly there could be traffic.
और ना ये भी रीजन है, ये जो पुराना पुराना बाइक है ना, ये और प्रदूषण करता होगा, क्योंकि अभी का जो बाइक रहता है वो भी 600 फैलाना ढिलाना उसके साथ रहता है ना, और ये सब तो उतना नहीं रहता है। भाई सब भी पुराना मॉडल का बाइक है।
Butchers, they slaughter chickens. On the other side, the chickens feed on garbage.
ये ले,
And in the middle, there is an incredible amount of
मतलब
traffic.
कचरा खा रहा है इंसान।
Rising exhaust fumes makes here a unique place.
अनोखी जगह, डेफिनेटली अनोखी जगह।
To drive in opposite direction or pedestrians to travel on top of trucks. Trucks are filled with as much stuff as they can. They say the business is good. People make gravestones here while the city flows.
मेहनत तो करते हैं भाई, देखो मेहनती लोग तो बहुत है। मैं देखा हूँ कई शॉर्ट्स भी आता है वो लोग का कि हाँ मेहनत तो डेफिनेटली करते रहते, बट वहाँ का जो कंट्री का हालत हो गया है ना, वो बहुत वो हो गया है। कंट्री का हालत खराब हो गया। पढ़ाई लिखाई कराएंगे तो भाई डांग का गवर्नमेंट आएगा तो सुधरेगा।
Almost everywhere in the city, when you raise your head, you can see hawks or eagles. They are here to feed from house, cats,
इतना सारा चील कौवा मैं तो कभी शहर में नहीं देखा। यहाँ तो नहीं देखा मैं इतना सारा चील कौवा शहर में उड़ता हुआ। चील और कौवा भी आजकल नहीं दिखता यहाँ तो।
I don't need to tell you about the traffic. It's like they're going to hit each other. There are so many disabled people in the city. The chaotic traffic is sometimes also the reason. Some are homeless, some are unemployed. It is common here for men to walk holding hands.
भगाते हैं यार, बहुत धूल धक्कड़ देख लिया।
Crickets in every empty space. It's not football or basketball. Cricket is the one.
Yeah, cricket.
Most polluted city of the world. There's a huge economic damage caused by the money spent on improving the air quality and disruptions resulting from the pollution. For example, in 2017, the estimated economic burden of air pollution amounted to 5.88% of entire Pakistan's GDP, or $47.8 billion US dollars. Citizens are told to use public transports, or if they have cars, not to transport alone in their cars. There are even mobile apps for sharing trips. Last year, the Punjab Provincial Disaster Management Authority sealed off 1,718 brick manufacturing centers and 2,658 factories working with old technology. Also confiscated 11,782 vehicles and 544 people were arrested for environmental damage. Medium and long-term steps must be taken to solve this issue. Limiting the volume of emissions from the vehicles in traffic, expanding electrical vehicles, population planning, inspecting industrial institutions operating without an emission control system, and switching to clean energy sources can be the solution.
उसका दिमाग खराब हो रहा है।
Toxic gases from exhausts of the vehicles and chimneys of the factories. Constantly burned chemicals.
यही था यार
of course,
वीडियो बस।
waste that cannot be
मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट
recycled.
वीडियो में।
Our efforts to
तब तक के लिए
protect
बाय
people,
एंड
air, water,
या
and environment
अपन लोग को भी
is actually our efforts to protect
ऐसा नहीं
ourselves.
कि
And
कोई
the best
वीडियो
way to
हमारा
protect
बनाना था,
ourselves
इससे पहले तो
is
हमको
avoiding
ठीक कर लेना
pollution in
चाहिए
the first place.
दिल्ली का हवा
If
को,
you like this
राइट।
episode and learned something new,
और उसके लिए क्या करना
see you
चाहिए?
in the
सिर्फ
next
पेड़
episode.
उगाना है भाई, सिर्फ पेड़ उगाना है। जंगल कम काटो, गाड़ी कम को चलाओ और वो ट्रांसपोर्ट को यूज करो। जैसा वीडियो में बोला था, ट्रांसपोर्ट पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करो, और या गाड़ी को फालतू में सिंगल सोलो घुमाओ मत, और पेड़ उगाओ। या बस इतना ही भाई, और क्या कुछ करना है, कुछ खास नहीं। पे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय, पीस।